Hello, I'm with the chapter Meiosis and Sexual Life Cycle. I have taken this chapter from Campbell Biology, so let's discuss here. This is the topic comparison between asexual and sexual reproduction. You know that two types of reproduction have seen in organisms, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction doesn't need any mate and only single parent give rise to offsprings, and offsprings are genetically identical to their parents as well as to their siblings. Okay, that's why they are referred as clones. That means mutation or variation among the offsprings results from asexual reproduction are identical and shows very less amount of dissimilarity. Only dissimilarity occurs when mutation occurs, but it is a rare case. Okay, yeah. I have written the comparison between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, first one. In asexual reproduction, single individual, I told you, is the sole parent. Single individual is the sole parent. Here no need of two parents, and passes copies of all its gene to its offspring without fusion of gametes. That means no fertilization occurs in asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is more like mitosis. Okay, mitosis, and most example of the asexual reproduction is budding. You have learnt in your inter classes, that is lower classes, budding, fragmentations, and spore formation. This is one kind of one example of asexual reproduction, and it is more like mitosis, cell division of the multicellular organism. Okay, single parent only responsible for producing or generating the offsprings, and they pass all their genes to the offsprings. No fertilization in asexual reproduction. Second point I have written here, the offspring are genetically identical to its parents. Though the all genetical information transferred to the offsprings are identical to their parents, hence they are called clones. Okay, so clones are referred to the offspring produced from asexual reproduction. Third point is here, genetic differences occasionally arise in asexually reproducing organism due to mutation. This is not very often occur, only sometimes mutation occurs, and this results variation. Okay, so here sexual reproduction, we learned about the facts about asexual reproduction. Now comes to sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs in sexually dimorphic organism. That means male and females are different and they mate and fertilization occurs, then results offspring. Okay, here the two parents give rise to offspring that have unique combination. Here, due to the sexual reproduction, mating occurs between male and female gametes, and it results variation as meiosis also occurs. Okay, meiosis, which results gametes, and due to this meiosis, different combination of genes are resulting, and due to this different combination of genes, the inherited offspring are not identical to their parents. Okay, second point, offspring of sexually reproducing organism vary genetically from their siblings and both parents. Okay, they are variations on a common theme of family resemblance, not exact replicas. The offsprings produced from sexual reproduction are not exact replicas of their parents. They somehow show some resemblance and show some differences, which are called variation. Okay, this is all about the sexual reproductive things. So these are differ in this manner. Now this is all about some facts of chromosomes, offsprings. Okay, a life cycle. Life cycle includes the starts from single cell zygote, then zygote becomes adult, adult produced then gametes, female and male, it again unite to form offspring, then offspring becomes adult and zygote forms. This is the life cycle. Okay, it's a cyclic structure, cycle or life cycle. In this way, a single cell zygote, this is diploid, produce the multicellular adult, then adult produce gametes which unite to form zygote, and that zygote produce offspring. Again the life cycle repeats. Okay, or you can write in this way also: zygote, then adult produces offspring. Okay, from the adult again produces gametes. Okay, it forms zygote. Okay, zygote divide and gametes are haploid. Again adult produce, but adult life cycle is different. Adult, then it becomes older, it will die, but before dying they leave their offsprings. In such a manner, life cycle is completed in every organism, and the life cycle ranges from days to several years. Okay, and it varies among different organisms. This a life cycle is generation to generation sequence of stages in the reproductive history of an organism, from conception, that is, to reproduction, that is formation of zygote, then embryo. That process is called conception to reproduction of its own offspring. Second one is the arrangement of chromosome pairs are called karyotypes. That is arrangement of chromosome pairs. Chromosomes are homologous pairs, that is homologous. That means one from mother, one from father. Okay, this is the homologous pair. And the arrangement, that is human consists of 46 chromosomes, which is 23 in pair. Okay, they are arranged from larger size to smaller size, and last one is XY or XX depending on the male or female, and that arrangement of the chromosome is called as karyotypes. It is the karyotype is similar in all organisms. Now third point is X and Y chromosome determine sex, hence they are called sex chromosomes. Okay, and remaining 22 pairs, that is, this is the X and Y chromosome which determines the sex. Okay, here, and rest 22 pairs are autosomes, A for autosomes. The other chromosomes are called autosomes. They are responsible for somatic characters, maybe height, health, and feature of the organism, eye color, hair color. These are all the somatic characters which is determined by the autosomes, not sex chromosomes. Sex chromosome only determine the sex, that may be male or female. Okay, here the number of chromosome in a single set is represented by n. That means the number of chromosome is n. If we are writing n for organism's chromosome, that means organism is haploid. Okay, haploid. When organism, because all organism contains a pair of chromosome. Okay, a pair of chromosome, one from mother, one from father, and these are the homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. Yeah. These are homologous chromosomes, and if we take only one chromosome, this is denoted by N. It is haploid. Okay, and this whole chromosome is diploid, that is 2N. Okay, and we can call it allele also. Any cell with 2 chromosome set is a diploid cell and has a diploid number of chromosome, that is 2N. Okay. Third point I have written here, for humans the diploid number is 46, that is 2N equal to 46. So N will be 46 upon 2, which is, sorry, this is 46. That is 23. Okay, this is haploid. I am showing the human case. In similar way, different number of chromosomes are presenting in pair. Okay, this is all about the thing. Thank you for watching. Bye.